Hello, I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2016 Subaru Forester Touring. It is all-wheel drive and has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's been fully serviced, including 4 brand new tires, and we do offer free Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. It's a one-owner vehicle local to North Carolina, and this Forester does qualify for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. It's got a lot of options. I'm going to try to cover as many as I can in this video. It does have leather interior, and the driver's seat is power. It also has a power sunroof, and you have your power liftgate, and it currently has 63,000 miles. Your steering wheel has your Bluetooth audio and cruise controls, and it does have navigation. That bottom screen is also where your backup camera will display, and then you have your temperature control screen and your fuel economy details up at the top. You do have dual climate control below the navigation and backup camera screen, and your heated seats for the driver and passenger are in front of the gear shift, and it is push button start. Your controls for the power sunroof are right there, and it does have the blind spot monitor in the mirror. You can see it illuminated there. And the back seat can seat up to 3 people. It does have an armrest that can fold down with cup holders if that's needed. It's in very good condition. And the cargo area is very spacious. If you need additional room, you can lay down the back seats. And it does have the cargo cover. And the cargo cover does come with it. That can be removed also if you need additional room. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look or test drive, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.